Hello, Pisces. So, at the center of this reading is a younger water sign and a legal case. I feel like this younger water sign needs to make an apology about a Libra and or about a legal case. This Taurus is back again. This person is supposed to be a secret. They're supposed to be hidden. We'll just say it. They think they're slick. But unfortunately for them, they're not very good at this. It's very obvious if you pay attention to get the gist of what's happening. But basically, this secret Taurus is defensive about a missed opportunity. And it's not exactly the one you might think that they're upset about. It has to do with a workplace younger water sign who is potentially a Pisces. This younger water sign needs to make an apology, but they are defensive. Potentially about moving forward and missing an opportunity with a Taurus, the secret Taurus. Involving a will, an inheritance, or settlement in a workplace that involves a legal case and or a Libra. The Libra also needs to make an apology, but they're defensive. They could have become single and they walked away and missed an opportunity with the hidden Taurus too. So we've got younger water sign, potentially Pisces at work, and a Libra who is involved in a legal situation with you are buddies with your Taurus over here. But it looks like things are starting to disband on this side because this Libra decided to become single because they didn't want to make a choice about acts of generosity, aka bribes, kickbacks, that type of thing, to improve a situation with a Libra and an Aquarian. This could be the same Libra, or it could be a different Libra. Important to keep that in mind. However, this particular Libra was cold to an Aquarian, and the Aquarian walked away. They walked away for a new beginning with family, and they could be soul searching about walking away from this Libra. There's a Pisces here who was juggling a situation involving passionate actions or was juggling a situation involving a Sagittarius. But it looks like the Sagittarius was waiting on their ships to come in and was in a mental prison about a Leo. This is a work situation, and there are improvements underway regarding a will, inheritance, or a settlement, but someone's not making a choice because they're defensive about acts of generosity. These acts of generosity were funneled down to a younger water sign at work to affect the outcome of a legal case, potentially involving a Libra. Tied to this hidden Taurus who pretended to be single and missed an opportunity to move forward or missed an opportunity with a Pisces. There is a new beginning here. Looks like could be for the Leo, or it could be for the Pisces, or both. Either way, it looks like this Leo could have lost faith on a Pisces who was waiting on their ships to come in. So an Aquarian is in a mental prison about a marriage or a family issue. They could be juggling their finances, or they could have been juggling people, but, we'll see. Could be they're juggling their thoughts and their feelings, actually. There is this Libra. Could have displayed passionate actions involving a Sagittarius. Or this could be that a Libra and a Sagittarius walked away from a Virgo. Either way, everybody pretty much walked away from this Libra and is soul searching. That's what it looks like. For some, though, it's going to be that the Libra and Sagittarius walked away from a Virgo, or they walked away soul searching. I'm thinking Libra and Sag might have had a thing. They walked away from a Virgo, but they're soul searching about it. Something like that. Either way, at the end of the day, this is really getting disbanded as the days go by. The situation's not over, obviously, but it's getting there. We've got a lot of people moving forward and walking away soul searching over a missed opportunity. Okay? So that is your reading. If this resonates with you, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it. And if you're not already subscribed, please do. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.